Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. This morning, we're taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. All right, jumping right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are flat or in the green this morning after the Fed's decision to start scaling back bond purchases. They're going to start reducing purchases by $15 billion per month. Currently, the Dow futures are flat, S&P 500 futures are up 0.16%, and NASDAQ futures are up 0.41%. DoorDash isn't just for your favorite restaurant meals anymore. They've partnered up with Ulta Beauty to offer same-day delivery from select Ulta Beauty stores. The same-day delivery service at the customer's doorstep will be available for over 25,000 Ulta Beauty products, such as cosmetics, skincare, hair care, fragrance, and more. This will be across Atlanta, Boston, Chicago, Los Angeles, Houston, and Boise. Furthermore, both companies have laid out an expansion plan with rollout expected in 2022. The DoorDash stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside just shy of 5%. Technology giant International Business Machines, or IBM, plans to acquire ROKU. Headquartered in Singapore with the primary business office located in the Netherlands, ROKU's endpoint security solutions allow artificial intelligence leveraging to automatically identify and manage threats while remaining undetectable to adversaries at the same time. The acquisition will enhance IBM's presence in the extended detection and response market. Furthermore, the deal is perfect for IBM's strategy of delivering security across all types of environment via a proven platform for threat detection and response. The IBM stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 27.5%. It is fairly quiet and exciting news this morning, so let's move right over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we're waiting to hear from Viacom CBS, Barrick Gold, Nikola, and Wayfair. And in the after hours today, we'll be hearing from some big names like Pinterest, Airbnb, Peloton, Square, and Uber. Just this morning, we heard from Moderna, whose stock is down over 11% now after missing on earnings and revenue. The company reported earnings of $7.70 per share, which missed the consensus estimate of $8.96 per share. This was on revenue of $5 billion when analysts expected $6.5 billion. Their revenue did grow over 3,000% on a year-over-year basis. They are currently rated a hold with an average upside of 6%. We also heard from Qualcomm Incorporated last night, who reported better than expected fourth quarter results. The semiconductor company also provided upbeat fiscal Q1 guidance on the back of elevated demand for chips. Their adjusted earnings rose 76% to $2.55 per share, easily beating the estimates of $2.26 per share. Their adjusted revenues surged 43% year-over-year to $9.32 billion, surpassing estimates of $8.86 billion. Their stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of almost 32%. Also posting better than expected results for their third quarter was CVS Health. The company registered adjusted earnings of $1.97 per share, topping the estimates of $1.77. Their revenues inched up 10% year-over-year to $73.8 billion, coming in ahead of analyst expectations of $70.4 billion. Their stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 8%. We also heard from ROKU, who disappointed in both their third quarter revenues and fourth quarter guidance, largely due to persisting global supply chain disruptions. The company reported third quarter revenues of $680 million, missing analyst expectations of $683.7 million. Their revenues did rise 51% on a year-over-year basis. The company recorded a 600 basis point year-on-year rise in gross margin, which came in at 53.5%. Additionally, their adjusted EBITDA more than doubled to $130.1 million. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 44%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by SAIA, who has been on a run since a positive earnings report last week. Under the ticker SAIA, their stock is currently up nearly 14%. They're followed by Adapt Health under AHCO, up 10% following their third quarter results, and SciTime Corporation under SITM, up 9.4%, also following their earnings. Our biggest losers this morning are led by ROKU. It seems to be a case of investors selling the news after the World Health Organization granted emergency use listing for their vaccine. Under the ticker OCGN, their stock is currently down nearly 11%. They're followed by Moderna under the ticker MRNA, down nearly 11% currently following that earnings miss, and Magnite under MGNI, down 9.6% following their third quarter earnings. So that's going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.